This is Team Mars with Chitrakatha, an online gaming platform where you get to explore India. We have exciting games for you, and the first level that we have is Jumble Words, and the second level is Mad Libs. We have 8 exciting categories to choose from, and this is our team, and thank you for joining us. Welcome to Chitrakatha, an amazing and unique online game created just for you. So this is our registration page where you register with your name, email ID and password, and then you quickly log in. After you log in, you see a page with 8 exciting categories to choose from. May it be Indian monuments, Indian freedom fighters, Indian music or festivals of India. Now let's go ahead and quickly choose Festivals of India. The first level is the Jumble Words level. Now you see these jumble words staring Indian festivals because we really wanted to put through the Indian culture and heritage. Now quickly click on play now to get to the next level. Level 2 is the Mad Libs level.
Kolkata, Sheetal, Sneha, Sari, Sister, Amazing,
After clicking on play now, a story will be generated with Indian morals and Indian values with the words that you took as input. And the cherry on top of the cake is they were all through voice recognition. So see the story on the screen right now. Isn't it interesting? Isn't it very intriguing? So this is Chitrakatha, the unique game that we bring to you for the Toy Hackathon 2021. This is Team Mars. Now why don't we go ahead and select, let's say, another category. Which category do you think we should select next? Let it be Flavors of India. So the level 1 is a couple of jumbled words that are staring right at you at the screen. So solve them quickly because these are all the Indian delicacies that we have known and loved throughout the years. Now click on play now to be taken to the next level. This is level 2.
Ravi, Brother, Biryani, Lunch, Fried Rice, Cook.
Click on play now. Now a story will be generated which will cater to your very own inputs, and this is a very interesting story as it basically talks about how biryani came to be in Kolkata. How unique and interesting this is. This is Chitrakatha by Team Mars from Technomain Salt Lake, and this is Toy Hackathon 2021. I hope you enjoyed playing this game with us because we surely enjoyed making it. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind patience. These are the technologies that Team Mars has used to create Chitrakatha, and click on this link to play now.